and today in my boss's office, Revolution Auto Design. We're here at Alex's desk. But today this video is going to be on the 992, that new Turbo S I talked about in the previous video. 992 generation Turbo S by Porsche will be producing 640 horsepower, 590 pound-feet of torque, and it's going to be hitting 0 to 60s in 2.6 seconds. They say the Cabriolet 2.7 seconds, but knowing Porsche and like knowing how they are with their numbers and everything, I think it's going to be more like a 2.4, 2.5 second 0 to 60. Much going from them. Like Porsche just kills the game. A lot of people think, oh, like Porsche's not that fast, not this, not. It's a track car. At the end of the day, this Turbo S is going to be street legal, obviously, but these cars are meant for the track. This Turbo S will destroy it on the street and in the straight line. You got 640 horsepower. Weight, I'm guessing, is low 3,000s. And things just gonna kill. You do a turbo upgrade, downpipes, tune, this thing's easily in 700s, close to 800 probably, if not more. I don't know how much the transmission and engine will support. I'm pretty sure the Turbo S is coming out automatic, the PDK, but I could be wrong. There may be some manual options. I hope there are going to be some manual options, because it just changes the whole driving experience and it just turns it into a whole different car. But let's get into some more facts about it. The rear, just big booty Judy, you know, at the end of the day. Previous 991 generation Turbo S, which only produced 580 horsepower and 416 pound-feet of torque. There are going to be two new factory options for this new 992. It is going to be the Porsche's active suspension management and management for a sport exhaust. So the sports suspension system, it lowers the car a 0.4 inch, almost half an inch all around. That's just going to give it better aero once it lowers on the freeway, better aero, better top speeds. By how much, I don't know. I'm not an expert in that, and I don't know exactly how much all that will change. Brakes are the ceramic composite. It's a 10 piston front brake. The rotors are being upgraded to a 420 millimeter rotor, and just the combination of those two things is just going to increase the stopping power just tremendously for this 992 Turbo S. The new 992s really just give off like a 993 vibe to me. I'm a 993 guy, 993 advocate. Those are a 993 is going to be my next purchase for this channel. I really want to just get a 993, and then I get another nice 993 that's spec'd well. Leave the spec'd well one alone. Probably just throw some HREs on it, suspension, some nice tires, call it a day on that, maybe clear brow the whole thing. And then with the other 993, I'm going to RWB that guy. But that's a whole different video. Let's get back to this 992, but I mean, just the 992 front face gives off that 993 vibe. I'll put a picture right here just to show you, and a picture right here of a 993 front. Maybe I'm just going crazy, I don't know, but you guys can decide. Front wheels for this Turbo S are going to be a 20 inch for the front, with a 255/35 tire being slapped on that bad boy, while the rears is a 21 inch wheel with a 315/30 tire slapped on it. Some big meat for this guy. That's going to be pushing 640 horsepower, so you got to have some meat on these tires, and it just gives it that more aggressive vibe when you're looking at it or when you're behind the car. Two Turbo S's are going to be coming with a carbon fiber trim and silver accents. It's also going to include 18-way adjustable sports seat with the stitching that's inspired from the 930 Porsche, earlier Porsche that was developed. If you're a Porsche advocate, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. If not, I'll slap a picture right here for you guys so you know what it looks like, and I'll include the interior stitching as well just to show you guys. One Porsche 911 Turbo S, the starting price is going to be $204. That's typically what we see with these Turbo S's, and then the Cabriolet is going to be starting at $217. So just keep in mind that's base numbers before you're adding some of these packages. Obviously this Turbo S is going to come with a lot of stuff, and it's not going to have that many packages and upgrades and choices, I'm assuming. I could be wrong. I've never customized a Porsche, never gone that route, not yet at least. I want to get some 993s, and then maybe I can get something cool like this, a 992 Turbo S or something. I definitely want to get like a 2016 GT3 RS as well. I think those cars are just godly. The 6 just sounds insane, but I'm gonna really need to get my hands on one of these, get behind the wheel, and give you guys a full review on it, full Maybo vlogs review. And yeah, this thing's just gonna be crazy. Rear active steering, similar to the GT2 RS. I believe the previous Turbo S might have had it too. Don't know. I'm just kind of starting to get into all the details and really thoroughly learning more about cars through this channel. Typically, I'll know basic specs, like I'll know round horsepower of something, kind of how much it goes for, and basically like what engine it has. That's about it for me, for what I know about cars. But with this channel and the Let's Talk About It video that we're doing right now and that you're watching, I really just want to take this to the next level, and then take my knowledge to even a higher level, and just continue to grow and learn more about cars, because honestly my dream job is to work at Porsche and sell Porsches. So Porsche, if you're watching, sign your boy up, give me my own dealership or something. But yeah, that's just about it for this video. We haven't learned like too much stuff about the car yet. I did get a lot of this information from Car and Driver, so shout out to them. I'll be including the video of the Porsche as well that you're going to see at the beginning, and I'll include some clips throughout. Shout out Porsche for the video. And this is just going to be a sick car. Can't wait to get my hands on one of these and behind the wheel of one of these bad boys.